Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Hinderer Halftrack right over here with me for a quick maintenance video. We're gonna try to improve the action of this little fella right over here because it's not that stellar. I mean, we can improve it. I'm positive. Let's try. But hey, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you want to leave a comment down below, of course. And you know what? You can also check fablades.com and Instagram at Fablades and see what is up, what is going on over there. So 12 spanner, and I'm using like a Leatherman, like the flat head screwdriver that is present here in my Leatherman. That's like a T4. That's the free T4. It's a pretty useful one. I like it. I keep it mainly for the Hinderer capability that this screwdriver has. It's pretty good. It's tiny. There's a little bit of rounding off at the tip, so it's not leaving any marks on the pivot. And yeah, that's a long pivot right over here. Just using my hand so I'm not scratching or marring anything. So that is done. This is over. We're gonna need a T6 for the two standoffs going on right over here. That is one. And this is two. Alrighty, and let's keep it pinched. Break the detent. And boom, you are in business, and that is pretty much it. So I'm just gonna take my alcohol swab right over there and go ahead and clean a little bit the blade first. Nice bearing popping out, cleaning this bearing, stainless steel bearings 1 and 2, like so. I'm gonna clean the inside of these scales, which are titanium stone washed. Here you can appreciate the groove from the ball bearing, the groove for the stop pin. Let's clean the pivot, oops, nicely like that, the bearing track, and we are pretty much done, guys. So that is it. This goes in. You grab your whatever oil you want to use for this guy. Let's go with a 10 weight nano oil right here and apply like 3 drops, 1, 2, 3 to this bearing right there, and then we're gonna just go with the blade and the other set of bearing and another 1, 2, and 3 drops for that. And you know what, let's do a little tiny drop on this bearing of this detent, sorry, over here, which is looks like a ball bearing. And then you got this scale in right there, like that. Grab your T6 and let's go reverse with this fella right there. So this is like the try way, which means you can opt for like 3 different pivot system. So you can get Teflon washers, you can get phosphorus bronze washers, and bearings like in this case over here. So we got that, we got this, and this is here. So we can just go ahead and screw the pivot in with hands, you know, as far as you can, and that's it. So, and I'm gonna go with this using my left hand as a spanner for the pivot until it can. Look at that, I was able to successfully do it. So let's just spread this oil a little bit. There's no, I can already feel it's way too tight for now. So let's just do a little bit less, checking blade centering, checking blade play. Yeah, it's still tight. Let's see, less. Blade still centered, still no play. Action is a little bit improved. But you know, being a small blade and not that heavy, you probably will never get... no, blade, you see, is already off-center now, which goes back like that, and no play. So yeah, I guess this is the action we are gonna have to live with. It's not that bad, but as you can see, needs a little help to get it closed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.